So you can get a free website from a few different platforms. Squarespace and Wix both have free options, but I really wouldn't recommend it because, as I was talking about earlier, you have shared assets and owned assets. You don't actually own your website. You're pretty much just stuck on the platform, which means you can't take it anywhere. So long term, it's really not a good idea. You get pretty cheap options and then pay for hosting and a domain name, and you're probably out of pocket maybe $400 to $600. You can have a really basic website, but it's an option. Yeah, so most of the popular website builders actually have mobile optimized design built in, and pretty much every web developer these days will be building in a mobile optimized environment. If you're doing any custom stuff, you might have to look at speaking to a web developer and making sure it is mobile optimized. We actually have a video about it if you want to learn more information, and we'll chuck the link in the description. There are a bunch of ways to increase your website speed. You use tools like Pingdom and GTmetrix to sort of work out what it is that's wrong with your website. Every single website has like a different variation of things that could be improved and optimized. So the things that we see the most are large images, slowing down the website. And there's a few technical aspects like caching and all that kind of stuff. You can talk to a web developer about that and they'd be able to help you out with optimizing your website